Hello. Today, we're going to learn about coveralls. What exactly is a coverall? A coverall is a one-piece garment that you wear over your regular clothes. Its main job is to protect you and your clothes from things like dirt, dust, chemicals, paint, or other potential hazards. Think of it as a common type of personal protective equipment, or PPE. Let's break down the main purposes of wearing coveralls. First, protection. They shield your skin and clothing from harmful substances or physical hazards. Second, cleanliness. Sometimes they're used to keep a clean environment free from contaminants carried by the wearer, like in labs or food processing. Third, visibility. Some coveralls are brightly colored or have reflective stripes to make the wearer easily seen, especially in low light. Coveralls have some common features. They are a one-piece design covering the torso, arms, and legs. They usually close with a zipper or snaps down the front. The material varies greatly depending on the intended use. Sleeves and legs often have elastic or snaps at the wrists and ankles to seal out contaminants. Optional features like hoods, pockets, or reinforced areas can be added for specific jobs. Now, let's explore the different types of coveralls, usually categorized by their material and intended use. First up are disposable coveralls. These are typically made from lightweight, non-woven materials like polypropylene or Tyvek. They're designed for single use, especially where contamination is a concern. Think painting, asbestos removal, crime scene investigation, or healthcare settings. Advantages are they're inexpensive and convenient, no washing needed. However, they aren't very durable. Next, we have reusable coveralls. These are made from more durable fabrics like cotton or polyester blends, sometimes treated for extra protection. They are designed to be washed and worn multiple times. You'll often see mechanics, construction workers, or maintenance staff wearing these. They are more durable and can be cost-effective over time. The downside is they require laundering and might not be suitable for highly contaminated situations. Chemical-resistant coveralls offer specialized protection. They're made from fabrics designed to resist chemical penetration, like Tycum or Cernex laminated materials. Their purpose is to protect against splashes, sprays, and spills of hazardous chemicals. These are crucial for chemical handling, hazardous waste cleanup, and industrial cleaning. They provide high-level chemical protection. However, they can be expensive and sometimes uncomfortable for long wear. Flame-resistant, or FR, coveralls are vital in certain industries. They are made from fabrics that are inherently flame-resistant or have been treated, like Nomex or FR cotton. Their goal is to protect against burns from fire or electric arc flash. Common users include welders, electricians, and workers in the oil and gas industry. They significantly reduce burn injury severity. They can be costly and may need special laundering. For cold conditions, there are insulated coveralls. These contain insulating materials like down or synthetic fibers. They simply provide warmth in cold environments. You'll find them used for outdoor work in winter or in cold storage facilities. They keep the wearer warm and comfortable. The main drawbacks are that they can be bulky and might restrict movement. Finally, high-visibility coveralls. These are made from brightly colored fabrics like fluorescent orange or yellow and feature reflective strips. Their purpose is to make the wearer easily visible, especially in low light or near traffic. Think road construction crews, traffic controllers, and airport ground staff. The clear advantage is increased visibility to drivers and equipment operators. They may not be suitable for all jobs, for instance, where camouflage might be needed. When using coveralls, keep a few things in mind. Proper selection. Always choose the type that matches the specific hazards you'll face. Proper fit. Make sure it fits comfortably and allows you to move freely. Proper use. Wear it correctly, ensuring all zippers and snaps are fastened. Maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for washing reusable coveralls or properly disposing of single-use ones. In summary, coveralls are a versatile and important piece of personal protective equipment. They offer protection against many different hazards, and choosing the right type is key to ensuring safety on the job. Thanks for watching.